Reviewing a keyboard is kind of weird and it's the first for me, but 5 months ago, OnePlus and Keycap came up with a mechanical keyboard that is catered to gamers or typists. What's unique about this keyboard? This aluminum case keyboard comes with a 65% form factor style that is much more smaller without the function buttons and also on the pad. They are somewhat similar to that of the Magic Keyboard. These keyboards can be switched between Mac or Windows and have keycaps that can be switched between, especially like the control button and the command button. Mac. These keyboards also have RGB lighting, which can be adjusted as per your need, and also has a knob on the top which is customizable by their firmware. This keyboard also has a marble mellow keycap design that is very unique and has a tactile experience. This leads us to the negatives. The 65% form factor is not for everybody because they'll be missing out on the numpad and the function buttons, and also overall some people might find it really too small to type or get adjusted to. It might take a while to get adapted, and the price is a bit too high for a keyboard unless you are a desperate gamer or a fan of OnePlus and are willing to chip in for the aesthetics of OnePlus. For more weird reviews like this, follow me and see you in the next one.